What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today we will take a quick look on FTM because this coin is currently forming a really interesting opportunity to open a trading position. So if you are interested about the exact trade that I'm planning to open on this coin, definitely watch this video till the end. But before that, I would like to ask you, if you like my videos and you like my analysis, I will be really happy if you hit that like and subscribe button, and also if you type some comment under the video because it will simply help the algorithm to reach out my channel to a new people. So yeah, thank you guys for doing that and enjoy today's analysis. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to copy my exact trades or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join to this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today's analysis on the 4-hour chart. As usual, I am watching here few different scenarios, and depend on the markets will do, I will open here a trading position. Of course, this is a rising wedge, which is a bearish setup. So the first possible, let's say, trading setup is a short position. To open a short position, I want to see here a breakout, fake out, and bearish retest of this rising wedge. Stop loss, in that case, you need to put above the high that we will create during fake out. So if the market will do, for example, let's say something like this, then you need to place your stop loss above the high that we will create. The last take profit target you can put either above the support line of this, let's say, smaller rising wedge, or you can put it to this next support line. If you will choose this lower support line, the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 8.1, which is in my opinion pretty good. And if you will take multiple take profit targets, so some of the profits we were for example take here, then some of the profits you will take here, then above this support, and then above this support, then the risk reward ratio will be, let's say, around 6, which is in my opinion still pretty good. So definitely this possible short trade is tradable here. On the other hand, we can use this support of this or this rising wedge as a potential opportunity to enter a long trade. So if there will be actually that price reversal, and for example you will take here that short trade, you can, if there will be, for example, breakout and again support confirmation, you can open a long position here or here. The exact trading position can look, for example, something like this. So stop loss again under the low that we will create during fake out, and the last take profit targets put under this resistance of this rising wedge, and the same goes for the long position from this let's say next support line. So again, stop loss under the low that we will create during fake out. The fake out is, in my opinion, extremely important because during that we are taking an important liquidity. So yeah, stop loss under that, and the last take profit target again under this resistance of this rising wedge. And of course, the last take profit target will depend on how long we are actually gonna go there. Because if the market will do, for example, let's say something like this, then the last take profit target will be higher than if the market do, for example, something like this. And the last possible trading setup on the 4-hour chart will be valid after breakout and support confirmation. This setup is, in my opinion, the most risky from the setups that I show you in this video, but this coin is in like a really big uptrend. So if there will be the breakout and support confirmation, the long position is tradable here. Stop loss in that case, well, you need to put it somewhere back to this rising wedge, but you need to watch on the risk reward ratio, because the last take profit target, well, you can probably put it above this bearish order block, which is between level 0.579 and 565, which will give you estimated net profit around 22%. And let's say the possible stop loss can be put under this low, so level, for example, 0.4 595, but of course the, let's say, more safe will be under this previous low, but then the risk reward ratio will be only 2.38, and if you put it under this low, then the risk reward ratio is like 5.9. So in my opinion, it's well, it's worth, in my opinion, to take the bigger risk, because the risk reward ratio here is much bigger, even there is a higher probability of, let's say, getting liquidated for this trade. And if we take a look on the daily time frame, you can see that also here we have this bearish order block, which is between levels 0.546 and 0.507. So after a breakout on the daily time frame, we have here only, let's say, opportunity for that 6 to 15% long position trade. But if you want to open here, let's say, some long-term long position, I would personally wait here for that breakout and support confirmation, because stop loss in that case you can put just under this bearish order block, which will give you, let's say, estimated let's say net loss around 8.7%. But the last take profit target you can, for example, put under this, let's say, previous lows, which will give you absolutely insane risk reward ratio, because historically we have here like almost zero liquidity. Definitely some of the profits you need to take under this previous high, then move your stop loss to entry or to a break even, so you can't turn your profitable position into a loss. But then we are having here almost zero liquidity, so for the price it shouldn't be that big of a deal to reach this higher level. So if you, for example, let's say, looking here for a long-term long position, I would definitely wait here for that breakout and support confirmation on this bearish order block on the daily time frame. On the other hand, you can also, let's say, use this order block to enter a short position. So if there will be breakout, fake out, and resistance confirmation, you can open here a short trade with a stop loss again above the high that we will create during fake out. But with this trade, well, I don't know where I should put my take profit, because in my opinion there is like not that high probability that we are actually gonna go reach these lower levels. And well, this coin, as I said, is in the strong uptrend. So personally, I would probably choose as the last take profit target, well, let's say, for example, these lows, which is giving you risk reward ratio around 3.1, which is in my opinion not that good. So on the daily time frame, I think that the only tradable setup here will be valid after breakout and support confirmation to enter that long position. But anyway, if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, you can join my Discord trading group, where I am sharing the analysis every single day. But yeah, link to join is in the description or in the comments, and I will see you tomorrow in the next video. See ya.